Well, good morning and welcome to Hervey Bay. This is the glorious foreshore that I've had the privilege of hanging around for the last 7 days. It's been lovely and it truly is a beautiful spot. It's time for me to move on. Well, that was what I was thinking at the beginning of the week. It's now Saturday and I'm still here, and it looks like I will be here for a little while longer. It turns out that the gearbox has had a bit of a burnout and I need to do some work inside that gearbox. With no mechanics around to be able to help me, it's been left up to me now, so out of my comfort zone and a little bit hesitant, I've been learning and I've started to remove it, and I think that I'm going to be able to do it. And so again, a new skill set. Speaking of other aspects of boating life, the rigging that I pulled in for I still haven't done. I've been a little bit obsessed with getting the engine done, and basically since I've been here and since the rigging's arrived, then it's been blowing really hard and raining on and off for the whole time I've been here. So I thought with a little bit of extra time in my hands, I'd wait until these southeast trade winds have stopped and give me a chance to climb it when it's calm and not bouncing all over the place. So I guess it's safe to say that this has been a pretty frustrating time. I've wanted to go a long way. This is my long service leave. I didn't really plan to spend it just sitting doing engine work in Hervey Bay, but maybe that's what I'm supposed to be learning, and well, that's why I'm taking it anyway. You know, I have this bubbling all the time that I should be further, I should be doing more, that this is just a waste of time. And sometimes it rears its ugly head and I get more upset than other times, but basically I'm just trying to keep it under control. You know, I came away that I was going to learn things. I know that there's all these beautiful spots out there, and I know that I'll eventually get to them. That's the dream, that's the passion, that's the drive that I've had for 20 years. And look, in the end, I'm hoping that a little bit of disappointment now and do some work on the boat isn't going to dash all of that. I still want to get there. I'm very fortunate that my good friend Scott Lamond at ABC in the Wide Bay has given me a couple of little jobs to do, and that's also been taking my mind off those things and giving me a purpose, because obviously photography and video making is something that I'm very passionate about. And so to have an outlet to do that has been a bit of a godsend. So it's very easy to get a bit of cabin fever in here and to feel a bit bound up and feel, I guess, just frustrated, but that's life and that happens everywhere. Let's see what the next week brings.